Hello guys, today in this video I will let you know regarding one of the freely available tool for the screen recording. Over the internet you may find tons of freely available tools for the screen recording, but most of them have limitations, like you can only record the video for 5 minutes. Other limitations like the tool can be expired in 10 or 15 days. If you have Microsoft Office installed in your PC, one good news for you. There is a free tool already inbuilt which you can use for screen recording. It's Microsoft PowerPoint. You might already aware of Microsoft PowerPoint tool. It's very easy to use. Let's start and see how to do screen recording by PowerPoint. Please create new PowerPoint file and open it. Insert a slide. Select the slide and go to Insert tab. Now on the top right corner there is an icon for starting the recording. Currently the recording icon is disabled for me because I am already recording this video by PowerPoint. Hence it is disabled, but for you guys it will be in enable status. To start, you just need to click on the icon. Then it will open the recording tool where you need to select few options. Like here you are seeing a pop-up window on the top of your desktop screen. This recording window will only show when I move the cursor on top. Here you can see that as I move my cursor little down, the recording window is getting disappeared. First of all, you need to select the area by pressing middle button, and you can select the area which you want to record. Once recording area is selected, next option is audio. Whether you want to record the audio. Based on your requirement, you can enable or disable the audio option. Same applies for the cursor. If you want to record your cursor, you can enable or disable the option. Now, first option is to start the recording or to pause the recording. As currently I am recording this video, it is showing pause button at the first place. There is a shortcut key to start or to pause the recording, which you can use any time while recording the video. Just to avoid recording window appearance in the recorded video. To start and pause recording, you need to use window logo key with Shift and R key together. Now, just to show you guys, when I am moving my cursor up, the recording window is coming up and it will show also in the recorded video, which I don't like. So in that case, I will be using shortcut key to avoid it. Same way, we have shortcut key to stop the recording. You need to press window logo key and shift key and R key together to stop the video recording. Now I will show you what happens when you stop the recording and what you need to do to save the video file in some folder. Okay, let's stop the recording. So now what happens if you see the PPT which was used for recording? Here we go. The recorded video is automatically saved in the PowerPoint slide. Even you can run it from here and check. This is working as expected. Now the last step, you just need to save it to some folder for the further use. To save it, you just need to right click and click on Save Media As. It will just ask you the folder where you want to save it, and that's all. I hope this will help everyone and can get benefits by this nice feature of Microsoft PowerPoint.